Hello, hello, hello! Our lunch for today is burger. Burger? Burger. Ready-made na namin. So, prepare na natin, iluluto natin sa oven. Let's go! Good morning! Ganda yung itsura ko. So, magluluto tayo ng burger. Ipupurno natin. Iluluto natin sa oven. Ganda yung itsura ko. Kasi nga, bagong gising. So, itutulok sa inyo kung paano magluto sa oven. Less cholesterol, di ba? At, yun lang. So, let's go. Tulungan nyo ako or samahan nyo ako. At tuturok sa inyo paano magluto ng burger sa oven. Okay, ganda yung itsura ko. Pagpasensya nyo na. Okay, let's go! Hello, hello, hello! Our lunch for today is burger. Burger? Burger. Ayan. Ready-made na namin binili yan. So, prepare na natin. Iluluto natin sa oven. Let's go! So, yan. Ready-made na siyang binili namin. Yan, ipupurno natin o ilalagay natin sa oven. Ininit ko na yung oven, guys. So, prepare na natin ang ating lalagyan at lagay natin dito. Wala tayong potato. So, ganito lang ang luluto natin. Magmamas potato na lang tayo kasi may yung nabibiling ready-made na rin. Okay. Let's go. Samahan niyo ako at prepare na natin. Okay, let's go now.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place.
Tingnan natin. Ito. So, lagyan natin pepper. Yung pang bake. Ito siya. Ma-destroy. May ready pala na siya. May ready na pala siya. Ayun! Disgusting. Tapos, lalagyan natin ang oil. Lagyan natin ang oil. Lagyan natin ng oil. Hindi yung mukha ko. Yan. Lagyan natin ng oil na konti. Bis na pa-fried natin. Ayan. Less cholesterol. Less ayan. Okay. Okay. Yan. Ayan. Back na natin ang camera. Wait. Saan natin yan? Gamot. So, isa-isayin natin ilagay. Pipitin natin para makaaluto siya ng gusto. Hirap na walang tagahawak ng camera.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.